guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. We're actually back here in Manila and it's going to be a special episode. I'm actually headed over to MAPUA University for the Smart Vlogger Camp. And to make things interesting, I have a segment there where I talk about, vlogging and content creation. And what I have planned is special. I'll be giving away a Yeezy to anybody in the audience who can rap a Kanye song well. And I'm thinking of giving away the Samsung Galaxy A80 Blackpink set. That's the Blackpink set with the smartphone, with the earbuds, as well as the active watch. The entire set worth 55,000 pesos, around 50,000 pesos, to one person from the audience who can dance any Blackpink song well on the stage. So it's going to be an interesting episode. We're going to be hanging out with fellow content creators David Gison, Alodia, as well as Will Dasovich, and of course everybody from the 7 to 1 squad over at MAPUA. With that said, let's go. If you guys haven't yet, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel. We have a bunch of ongoing giveaways ranging from the Yeezy 500 Stone from the OSAKA Vlog series. We're giving away a 10,000 peso shopping spree to the outlet courtesy of Under Armour. So all of the mechanics of all of my giveaways are in the description box, but you have to subscribe to the channel first before you qualify. So do that now. Good luck. Let's head on over to MAPUA. Now, before we go down and get to the car, I just want to give you guys a teaser of the next unboxing that will happen on the channel. So, can you guys guess what this is? This is obviously an Air Force One. And if you are a K-pop fan, then you know. Because if you know, you know. Kailangan ko ng tatlong volunteer. Wait muna, hindi nyo pa alam. Tatlong volunteer na fans ng Blackpink. Wait. Na magaling sumayaw. Tatlo. Okay, we have 1, we have 2, we have 3. Okay na, tatlo. So meron ako isang item dito sa loob ng aking mahiwagang baul. Talaga no? Na ang mangyayari, papatugtog tayo, one by one, sayo kayo. Tapos yung pinakamagaling, based on audience reaction and judges, mapapanalunan ko ano yung laman ng mahiwagang baul. Okay ba yun? Okay, so David, di mo kailangan sumayaw. So dito.
Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back.
Can we try? Let's do it. I want to be.
Oh, yes! Yeah! Oh! No! You gotta do it! Oh!
Ito yung Jensen debut ko. Background. No, background.
You're told, but I don't mind even though I lose control.
Ito na siya! Samsung Blackpink! Ano masasabi mo sa prize?
Thank you po, oh my God.
Okay guys, palakpakan natin siya! Okay, 1, 2, 3, go!
Beauty bomb letter at a beauty salon with a baby Louis Vuitton under arm. You better, babe, you know what? It take too much to touch her from what I guess she had a baby babasta.
Memorize na ito ni Kanye.
Wala kang memorize. So, ano yung lalaban mo?
May kosa po. Galikan at pasukin natin mo doon ang laro. May kosa mas matindi pa sa mga ego at kano.
So guys, that's it for now. Thanks, God bless. What's up? Kwento mo naman yung outfit mo of the day dahil naaliw ako sa kanya.
Siyempre, pagkasama kita, kailangan ko ilaban ng mga bags ko. Pero ngayon, sorry, Converse lang ako, Sir Carlo.
Okay na yan, okay na yan. Ready ka na? Ready ka na?
For my show,
And I'm a lifestyle and travel. Tama ba? Tama ba?
Nagpa-vibrate yung voice.
Ano mo ako? Oh my god! Oh! Yeah! That's good!
Right? It's nice.
Like that? Wow! Portable!
Up next on the vlog, as you guys probably, I don't know if it was shown in any of the footages that I just recorded from the Smart Vlogger Camp, my sneakers of the day were actually these. I almost tasted the sneakers. This is the Kyrie 6. I think Heal the World or Unite the World sneakers. I got this from Nike Philippines, the website, when it came out. So I have been wearing this. I even wore it in Osaka, Japan while I was there in the last few days. And I will be dropping my full review of this one. Well, obviously a non-performance review, not a basketball sneaker review, but more of a casual lifestyle take on the Kyrie 6 in the coming days ahead. So again, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so that when this review drops, you will be notified and you will know so that you can be one of the first to watch. And that said, I hope you guys are all having a great day. Thank you to everybody from MAPUA. I love all of you. To all of the 7-1 squad guys that came out in full force and supported me, Will, Alodia, David, and of course Smart. Maraming salamat po. I really appreciate the love, the support. I mean, I'm just humbled with how much you guys were so appreciative of the stuff, of the content that I've been putting out and how you showed it during the event. Shout out to everybody who's been there in the last few Smart Vlogger Camps. We did Baguio, we did Dumaguete, we did Letran. I will try to find links of the previous vlogger camps where I did vlogs on. So if you guys haven't watched those yet, now would be a great time to do so. And yeah, that's it for now, guys. Peace, God bless. What's up? Boom.